Good evening, everyone. Today is October 14, 2025. We are almost end of 2025. Now, I was been talking to a potential buyer that he knew me for 4 years, and he traveled to Nairobi to Kampala. He didn't get the gold, and he encountered disaster, and he come back to me. Can you imagine that? He was been following my YouTube channel, and he went through my Facebook that I put all necessary requirement that the buyer will comply. So this buyer, he fly to Africa, to East Africa and Central Africa, thinking he can get the gold for nothing, thinking that he can get the gold CIF cost insurance and freight. What happened? He get back to me last night. Now the time here is 7:21 in the evening. Today is Tuesday, 2025, October 14, 2025. Can you imagine? Everybody come to my platform on YouTube. It's okay. You didn't want to deal with Wilhelmina. It's all right. Because you think that you can get the gold cheap price and you don't want to pay my extra service to accompany you to Africa. It's all right. Now what happened? Disaster. He come back to me last night and he asked me if we could have gold and if I could help him. And I told him I can help you, but you are deceitful. You deceive yourself. Then you go behind my back. It's okay. Now I'm not here to chase you guys. One way or another, you will come back to Alamina. Why? I'm the only person who put everything. You don't need to run around. You don't need to travel thinking you were being offered cheap price. What happened? Disaster. Now today, the price of gold is skyrocket. 4 years ago, I warned everyone. 4 years ago, the price of gold was 45,000 per kilo, then 50, then 60, then 75, then 80,000 per kilo, then 90,000 per kilo, then 100,000 per kilo. Today, 133,093.7 per kilo. I warn everyone, but you don't believe, Wilhelmina. Because I'm a woman? Well, this woman is full of knowledge. This woman hired by the seller because the owner of the gold is sick and tired dealing with you as well. Why? Because you think that you can get gold in Africa for free. Gold is not for free. This is world asset you are purchasing. Now what happened? Everybody now is on panic. They come to Wilhelmina. I turn it down. This morning, another buyer, he went to Mali, disaster. And I told him I've been to Mali, but the seller in Mali would not give you his gold for free. And he said that he's going to pay taxes. No, you don't need to pay taxes until you have the contract with the owner of the gold, until you inspect the gold, until you pay the gold. Because you cannot take the gold out of the country without full export documentation. What happened? Disaster. And I told him, you're a smuggler. Yeah, you don't need to smuggle gold because one way or another, you're going to be caught in the airport. Disaster. Now, Mr. International Gold Trader, this is for everyone. You don't need to deceive yourself. You will get the profit, but slowly but surely. Lay out a capital. That is normal. You have to pay the gold plus government sales tax. That is normal. And if you don't have the supply, you wouldn't be able to function your business. You're a jewelry manufacturer. You're a gold trader. Buy and sell to a jewelry manufacturer. And if you don't have a capital, you are going to encounter disaster, really, to be honest with you. You need to lay out a capital before you make money. You wouldn't make profit unless you lay out a capital. Just like when you open a business or retailer or sari-sari store, convenience store, you need to have a license. You need to have a capital so that you can put all the product into your shelf. Buying gold exactly the same. There is no difference. Buying precious mineral, you need to meet the requirements. You cannot just leverage. You cannot just smuggle it. Well, if you smuggle, good luck. At the end of the day, one way or another, you're gonna be caught. Now today, as I mentioned to you, this is live. I know one of the potential buyers say, well, Amina, I haven't seen you on LinkedIn. I said, yeah, that's a good question. I get out on LinkedIn because LinkedIn, there's a lot of joker broker. LinkedIn is to connect people. But you guys, joker broker watching me, I'm sorry if it hurts your ego. You're a time waster. Now we are now on digital. Wilhelmina was the one who brought this to the world, telling the world that we are here to do business in a proper way. Africa is the main source of precious mineral, gold, diamond, cashews, cacao, and so forth. I only handle gold and diamond produced by my seller in Conakry, my seller in Mali, my seller in Sierra Leone. Nothing else. I've been to my seller's office, I've been to Mali, I've been to Sierra Leone, I've been to Conakry. I would not touch you unless you show your credential. I wouldn't. If you bump on this video, you search on YouTube, listen to this video. There is a message on the screen. Pay attention. And then after you listen to this or read on this screen, the message on the screen, subscribe and click below and give me a like if you like. Read it. The full corporate is already on this video. I summarize it in order for you to comprehend, in order for you to understand. If you don't have a capital, don't be involved in gold business because you are going to stumble down. I'm telling you. We don't sell 1 kilo. The minimum at least 20 kilos. At least. If you have $1 million, yes, you can have 20 kilos. But if you have limited cash, 10 kilos, I might consider, but you have to show me your credential. Then you're gonna ask, well, Amina, what kind of credential you want to see? If you're a businessman, you should know that. Just like when you apply for a job, you need to have your resume in order to apply for the position that you're looking for. You're applying to purchase this $1 million worth of business. You are. And you're gonna say, well, Amina, show me the credential of the seller. I will show it to you when you convince Wilhelmina, because I am the gatekeeper. At the same time, I am your business facilitator. At the end of the day, Wilhelmina has the power to say yes or no. And Wilhelmina has the power to reject you if you don't show me your credential. What kind of credential, Wilhelmina? Very simple. If you went to school, you need to show me your business registration copy. Show it to me. Because you're applying to purchase $1 million worth of goods. You need to tell me. You need to show me your importation license. You need to show me your proof of fund and your passport copy. And then when you come to conference on WhatsApp or Messenger, you don't want to open your camera. Why are you scared for? Well, Amina is not scared to show her face. My face are everywhere. Why are you scared? And when you come for conference, our conversation is recorded because my system is automatic recorded. Why are you going to be scared for? Because I am interviewing you live. Then I can determine that you are not qualified. There are 4 things you have to convince Wilhelmina after you watch this video. after you read the full corporate on this video, click below and give me a like if you like. If you don't like it, at least you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Then you think about it. Now, why I ask your credential? To save time. And when you send me a copy of your business registration, this is between us. It would not float around to anybody because you are not dealing with a chain of joker broker. You're not. You're dealing directly to us. Wilhelmina is the one who handles sales and marketing on behalf of the company. The owner of the gold, they hired me. And I will take you when you meet the criteria. Now let's talk about properly, Mr. Gold Trader. If you are from Dubai, yes, Conakry is more convenience for you. If you want to go to Sierra Leone, that's fine. I will take you to Sierra Leone. If you want to take Mali, gold in Mali, I will take you to Mali. Do not travel unless you are well prepared. Do not, because guaranteed you are going to encounter disaster. Do not. Just relax watching this video. I know you've been searching for supply. You go on YouTube. Now YouTube is the best site, the best of all the best, and Facebook. So if you search on YouTube, take time, don't rush. Yeah, don't. You pay attention, digest it, and put this on back of your head. Am I qualified? Oh, I want to buy gold because of the precious mineral, that the price of gold is getting higher. Yes, gold is very lucrative business. If you have this, I'll show you how you are going to get the gold properly in Africa. I will show you on how gold to make into different uses. Now, gold has many uses, right? Gold can make into jewelry. Without the raw materials, there would be no jewelry to the shop. Gold can make into $1. Gold can make into $2. Without raw materials, gold, there would be no $2. Without raw materials, without this one. Where did I purchase this? In Dubai, when I was in Dubai, bound to Africa. This is finished product. Now you're buying Doribar, which is raw materials. Now if you don't have dollars, this is US dollar, you wouldn't be able to get the supply. Now I live in Australia, in Brisbane. This is our money, Australian dollar versus US dollar. Right? I'm just giving you an example. Now, if you don't have this, and then you're going to say, well, Amina, I'm going to buy gold, no upfront fee. To me, you're bullshit, really. You don't need to say no upfront fee because you need to travel. You need to have a capital. You need to have to show the proof of fund that you have $1 million. Without that, I wouldn't believe it. Really, I wouldn't. Why? I know the business. Wilhelmina was in Africa. Wilhelmina will only travel to Africa to assist you when you meet the criteria. What criteria are you going to require? It sits on this video. Subscribe and click below. You read the full corporate offer. Now, Mr. Buyer, is it nice that Wilhelmina give you the example? This is 100 US dollar. This is Australian dollar. Now, in Australia, when we do the shopping, when we buy grocery, when I buy clothes or anything, there is always a government sales tax. I don't have any question. I do the groceries plus GST 10%. I don't have. You don't tell me, oh, Mrs. Ford, you pay 10%. They just added whatever the value of the grocery plus 10%. I don't have any question. And you're going to say, oh, I want to buy gold, no upfront fee. To me, you're bullshit. This is not for bullshit business. Those gold traders scared to open their camera. To me, they're also bullshit. You don't need to be on gold business because you need to have a capital. Oh, madam, I want to buy gold escrow. Why you gonna escrow it? Why? Gold is cash. You have the money, we have the gold. Hmm. So, am I explaining thoroughly? Nobody will explain to you, Mr. Gold Trader. Nobody. Even the seller. The seller will say, come, come, come. Here's my gold. Do not travel unless you are well prepared. I'm telling you. Do not. You're going to encounter disaster. You're going to lose money. There was a buyer that I took. I took him to Africa. He go behind my back. Yeah. What happened? Disaster. You don't need to go behind my back. You don't need to be greedy because I am here to negotiate the price for you. I am here because the African sellers are very hard to deal with. He would not give you discount. You're lucky if you get 3%. Especially the price of gold is getting higher and higher. They would not give you cheap price. Those seller give you the cheapest price. They are not the seller. They are just joker broker. Mhm. They are going to capture you. I'm not going to capture you. I'm not going to chase you. I am here to tell because Africa has been tarnished by the smuggler. Most Chinese, German was in Africa. They were being arrested. Hmm. Why? They thought that they can take the gold out of the country without export documentation. Go on my platform on Facebook. I put Chinese was being arrested. Yeah, few months ago, there was a guy who called me from Nairobi. And he said, well, Amina, I have a friend that have encountered disaster in Conakry. So I was in Dubai during the time. And I told him, where the buyer coming from? Oh, Wilhelmina from Dubai. Okay. Tell that guy to talk to me on WhatsApp because the guy that encountered disaster was in Conakry. So he was talking to me that he is in Conakry. He's in trouble. And I told him, why you are in trouble? Wilhelmina, I was being arrested. Why? Because I carried 1 kilo. I told him, hang on. Who is your partner in Dubai while I'm here in Dubai? I want to meet your partner. So he gave me the contact number of the partner. I went to Gold Souk. They have a shop. They're refurbishing their shop, but they don't have supply. So I was talking to their partner. I'm not going to mention his name. And he was really nervous. And I told him, why you feel nervous? Madam, we lost money. How much? Oh, we paid the lawyer. Oh, really? Mm-hmm. And what happened? I want to know. I want to meet your partner in Conakry because I'm flying to Conakry the following day. So I told him, okay, I want to meet your partner in Conakry. So I want to find out why he was being arrested. Mhm. So he felt comfortable with me. So he said to me, Madam, can you help me? I said, yeah, I can help you, but you follow the golden rules of the country because gold belong to the country. Doesn't belong to me. It doesn't belong to you. You need to follow the golden rules. Even though the seller has to follow the golden rules of the government. This is what my explanation to this partner in Dubai. He showed me his shop, but he doesn't have the supply. He has a lot of buyers, he said. And I told him, well, we have the supply, but you need to pay for it. You don't need to ask CIF. Now, going back to his partner that was arrested in Conakry. So he came to the hotel and we have a dinner. And I told him, relax. He felt nervous to meet me. I said, you don't need to feel nervous. Be my guest and order for dinner. So they were ashamed to eat. I said, no, you don't need to be ashamed. I know you're haggard. They're really haggard. So for me as a woman, I can feel it. He's a stranger in that country. I'm also a stranger. But because I was invited by my head office to travel with the buyer, I feel comfortable because I need to be with you guys when you travel to Africa. Now going back, I was talking to the guy that was arrested and I told him, why you were being arrested? What happened? Madam, I carry 1 kilo. Okay. And why you were being arrested? They give me 1 kilo to carry to Dubai and assay the gold in Dubai. Okay. I was listening very thoroughly and I told him, okay, what happened then? And well, he's about to fly. He's about to go to the airport. On the way to the airport, the police intercepted him. And I told this partner that was already on the ground, why the police intercepted you? Maybe the owner of the gold called the police that you carry 1 kilo and you did not pay the gold. And he did pay the tax only. Mhm. And I told this buyer that already stranded in Conakry, and I told him, you're foolish. You don't have a license to carry. You should not do that. Let the owner of the gold give you export documentation that the gold is free of illegal activities. You are illegally carrying the gold. That was my statement. And he said, yes, you're right. And why are you carrying illegally? Because of profit? Because of your greediness? It's wrong. You pay the tax. The owner of the gold say pay taxes and you carry without any paperwork. Of course, the owner of the gold will call the police. That you stole his gold. So you lose the money to pay taxes, I told him. I told him you don't need to pay taxes because you have not paid the gold. You pay that gold, then the owner of the gold will declare that to the government in order for him to pay taxes. But because 1 kilo and the owner of the gold is rushing, he wanted to get the cash. And what happened? You as a foreigner, disaster. That was the experience that I meet the buyer in Conakry. I'm sharing you guys this experience, true experience, so that you would understand, so that you're gonna be aware that Wilhelmina is true. Now, I think I already explained to you. Today, the price of gold is 4,137.86 per ounce. Yes, and before the end of 2025, the price of gold can be 5,000 per ounce. At the moment, is already 4,240. At the moment, the gold is taking very fast. Why? The world is on panic. Even the central bank cannot even cater their own customer. Now, this $133,000, 200, this is already refined. You can buy that at the central bank. You can buy that to the refinery. Refinery also needs gold. Central bank needs gold. You are the smallest gold trader, buy and sell because you want to make a profit. Gold is profitable. Our selling price out of 133,200. Lucky if I'll give you 5%. Yes, but don't panic. You are dealing with Wilhelmina, and Wilhelmina can renegotiate the price for you on your behalf. After you convince Wilhelmina, after you show me your credential, you don't need to be scared. Show me a copy of your business registration, importation license, passport copy, proof of fund, and certificate of money laundering. If you don't have that, you apply that online. Do not travel without that, because when you transfer the payment from your bank account to the African bank account, your bank will ask, why are you transferring money in Africa? Because Africa is also a real flag of gold laundering. Gold laundering means there are so many smugglers and your money the bank manager might consider your money is dirty, so you need to have that paper. The seller would not explain to you like this. Nah, how do I know? I have the buyer that apply for money laundering certificate. I have the buyer from Nigeria. He completed all the necessary requirements. He ha- he showed me his business registration, importation license, passport copy, and the money laundering certificate. But he didn't show me proof of fund. That was last year. Mhm. And he said he's buying gold to bring it to Nigeria. And I told this gentleman, Nigeria has gold. And he said, Madam, you cannot get gold in Nigeria. They would not sell it to you because central bank needs gold. Correct. So he's going to sell the gold to Nigerian central bank. That is his business. That's not our business. So I've been helping him signing the contract. He signed the contract, huh? But he failed to show the proof of fund for 2 tons. And I've given him a leeway for 4 months. And suddenly he said, Madam, I'm going to pay the gold by crypto. My seller would not accept on crypto because that is digital. My seller want the buyer to transfer the payment in US dollar from the buyer's bank account to the seller's bank account. So I negotiated the good price for him, and the seller said, oh madam, I don't believe that buyer is real and he doesn't trust Philo African. And I told my seller, don't close the door because we have already full documentation, because I scrutinized the buyer, huh? And the buyer said, Madam, I'm looking for investor to invest into my company, because the buyer from Nigeria, he owned the company. That's normal, but he doesn't have capital. He doesn't have this. He's going to leverage. And I told the buyer, you are just wasting the time, because the gold would not come to Nigeria for 2 tons without this. So the contract crashed. So I'm just giving you a warning to all buyers. Do not underestimate. This is a real business. Okay? I'm just explaining to you whether you meet the criteria or not. At least you're gonna be aware, save money, then you come back to Wilhelmina. When you come back to Wilhelmina, when I screen your credential, you will receive the confirmation of my head office, because I'm going to send your credential to my head office that I validated you. You will receive the confirmation, and also you will receive my seller mining license, export license, and a copy of the company profile of the seller, and a copy that the seller paid taxes to his government yearly. If the seller can show that, meaning to say you are dealing with the right supplier. But I'm not going to release this to a stranger like you do, floating around, collecting, that you are doing some due diligence. I am doing due diligence in front of you. I am doing due diligence. Instead that you are collecting information, you will only get the information of my seller when you meet the criteria. When you receive the contract, because you already send me all your credential, and when I travel with you, I do charge my services. Right? So if you cannot pay my services, meaning to say you don't have the money, you don't have cash. You're buying cash, gold is cash. You're buying $1,000,000, you must remember. And you guys are scared. Why are you going to be scared for? You meet Wilhelmina. This is my virtual office. I live in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. Yeah? Gold is in Africa. Gold is in Mali. Gold is in Conakry. Gold is in Sierra Leone. I will determine which seller I'm going to take you when you meet the criteria. Now you're going to say, Wilhelmina, how much your services? I only charge you $25,000 to cover all my expenses, non-refundable. Whether you like it or not, non-refundable. So that's the reason why you have to plan it properly, because my services is not for free. I already given you free information, free. The full corporate offer is in front of you. If you don't have the money, don't bother to come to Wilhelmina. Don't. If you are not a buyer, don't bother. I only entertain the real buyer that have this. Yeah? Yeah? I only entertain buyer can prove that he has $1 million in his bank account. You don't need to worry, because no one will steal your money in the bank. Your information is intact with me. You're not dealing with a chain of joker broker. You're not. Because Wilhelmina will help you. Wilhelmina will assist you. But don't go behind my back. Yeah? Don't go behind my back. Because if you go behind my back, you are going to fail. Just like this buyer. I'm not going to mention this buyer from United Kingdom. I'm not. Because if I'm going to mention his name, believe me, he's going to be embarrassed. He bullied me. Well, why are you gonna bully me? You have less capital and you did not meet the criteria. I told you, relax. I'm here with you. But this father and son, they go behind my back. They become traitor because of profit, because of discount. They think about how much they're gonna make a profit when they're gonna bring the gold in Dubai. I'm gonna be with you, but why are you going to go behind my back? Disaster. So now, if you're listening, Mr. Buyer, you don't need to be cruel, or you don't need to be deceitful. You will get the profit, because I'm here to bargain. If without me, you don't want to pay my $20,000 this year, $20,000 next year, I'm gonna charge $25,000. Why? Everything now is inflation. When the price of gold increase, of course, airline ticket, the hotel and expenses and etc. I'm not going to travel with you unless you can afford to pay. My extra service. Yeah. If you say, oh, Lamina, I don't trust. Well, I don't trust you either. You can travel. I will give you an option. Which one you like? 3% or 5% without me. I will prepare the contract for you. I will submit your credential to my head office. And then you will receive the contract. You review that. You travel. You will be issued the landing visa as a company guest. I don't entertain buyers already on the ground. I don't. If you encounter disaster on the ground, that is your problem. That buyer from Dubai, he was just lucky that I was in Dubai and I met his partner. But they are really devious. Why? They travel to Conakry with invitation with fellow Indian. The fellow Indian come to Conakry, you can get cheap gold. Okay. So what happened? His fellow Indian did not even help his fellow Indian. They come to Alamina. And he keep on calling me and calling me and calling me. I said, no, I cannot help you unless your partner in Dubai will show his credential. I've been to his shop. But they're also a little bit of shrewd. Indians are like that. That's normal. They're scared because they lose money. You're gonna lose money if you're not very careful. I can guarantee you. Remember, when you pay my extra service, I'm going to invoice you. When you receive the landing visa, I'm going to invoice you that your $25,000, it covers my travel cost. Non-refundable. You must remember. Do not say, oh, well, I want to refund. No. You mean to say I have to ask the airlines to refund it? You walk into your lawyer. Your lawyer will charge you the consultation fee. I am charging you as a consultation fee as well. Does that make sense? So you don't need to say, oh, I don't trust you either. Now, going back to the price is getting higher and higher. So the price is not fixed. You will only get fixed price when you meet the criteria, because I'm going to renegotiate the price for you. Instead of 5%, instead of 3 to 5%, I might consider to give you 8 to 9% or even 10%. Only when you show me your credential. I don't want you to come if you are not a buyer. If you are a chain of joker broker, I don't want to know you. Because you are soliciting, you bump into my video and you read it and you're excited. You go back to your buyer that I found Wilhelmina. This is his term. If your buyer meet the criteria, good luck. If he doesn't meet the criteria, I'm sorry. Gold is cash. I'm always watching the movement of gold. The price of gold, it fluctuates. It's not fixed. You can only get fixed price when you meet the criteria. Now, I'm going to summarize here. When you apply for a job, right, you need to have a resume where you graduated, what degree you finished, etc., etc. Buying gold, exactly the same. You need to introduce yourself, and you need to tell me, well, Amina, I found you on your YouTube channel and I read thoroughly and I am interested to purchase Wilhelmina. You come for conference and open your camera. You don't need to be scared, because that camera that you open, I am analyzing you, whether you are really a real buyer. And when I analyze you, because we need to have an interaction. You ask question and I'm going to ask you. You're going to say, well, Amina, what is the name of the seller? I will give you the name of the seller when I receive your credential. You can contact my seller at any time, but I'm not going to give you the name of the seller, because my seller's instruction, Wilhelmina, do not send buyer to us until you scrutinize the buyer. What a waste of time. We don't deal no more Wilhelmina time waster, which is correct. I am a gatekeeper here. At the same time, I am your negotiator. Mr. Gold Trader, which one you like? 3% or 10%? Why I give you 10% or 9%? You're paying my extra service. I sacrifice. And I'm going to bargain on your behalf. Instead of 5%, I asked my head office to give you 10%. Why? You are paying me my extra service to be with you. I am your negotiator. Just like when you negotiate a country. I'm just like Donald Trump. Donald Trump is a good negotiator. He's a peacemaker, right? Between Hamas and Israel. So the peacemaker is really very thorough and very kind. I am also a peacemaker in the terms of gold business. I am a peacemaker between the buyer and the seller in order for you to get a discount. When you resell it, you make a profit. You become instant millionaire on 20 kilos. Yes, you will get the profit. I will explain to you when you come for conference. And don't hide your things. Do not say hi, hello, because that is not professional. It's not professional just to say hi, hello. Introduce yourself. Okay? Who you are. Well, Amina, I am Mr. So-and-so. I live in America. I live in United Kingdom. I live in Dubai. Then you download on Botem, because I'm going to call you. I want to see you live video call. And I'm going to analyze your language. So you don't need to scream. You don't need to be worried. Everybody hates my guts. Only Joker hates my guts. A real buyer would not hate my guts. The real buyer will love this woman, because the real buyer needs the supply. What is the cause of buyers and seller fail? you're dealing with chain of joker broker. I call them joker broker. You don't need to be hurt your ego because it's true. Yeah, yesterday was the gentleman said, "Oh, Wilhelmina, I haven't seen you on LinkedIn." I get out on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a good site to connect people, but LinkedIn has been abused by a lot of joker broker. I get out. I prepare to deal buyers directly via YouTube channel, via Messenger on Facebook, live. It's more faster. Now, Mr. Buyer, I think I explained to you thoroughly. Don't panic. Come to Wilhelmina. Convince Wilhelmina. Yes, we can supply. We have tons of gold. Or go on my platform on Facebook. You can see everything. The footage that I was in Africa. Go and search on my platform on Facebook. After you watch this video on my YouTube, relax, take it easy, don't rush. Click below because I put my Facebook platform. Click that, then go through, read it, then when you decide, come back. Because I'm not rushing. You're gonna invest $1,000,000. You need to be careful. Okay, so I am here to be with you and the seller. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening and good morning to you. I hope this video give you more knowledge. Knowledge is worth $1,000,000. You must remember.